In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage page roles and access using Meta Business Suite. Managing who has access to your Facebook page is essential for keeping your brand secure and organized. Whether you're working with a team, an agency, or just a few collaborators, knowing exactly where to adjust roles will save you a lot of confusion later on. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the Meta Business Suite interface and show you how to find and edit the roles for people who already have access to your page. First, you'll want to open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that's connected to the business you want to manage. If you manage multiple businesses or pages, double check that the correct business is selected at the top of the screen so you don't accidentally change settings for the wrong brand. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, click on Settings. This is your main control center for everything related to your business, including permissions, notifications, and assets like pages and ad accounts. It's a good habit to always start here when you need to adjust how people access your business tools. After you've opened Settings, stay on that left-hand column and look for a section called Accounts. Under Accounts, you'll see different asset types, such as pages and possibly ad accounts or other items, depending on what's connected to your business. Click on Pages. This section is specifically for managing which people and partners can work on each Facebook page linked to your business. When you're in the Pages area, you'll see a list of pages associated with this business. Make sure you select the page you actually want to manage. This is important if you handle several pages, because each one can have different people and different levels of access. Within the selected pages settings, you'll see a list of people who currently have access. Next to each person, there will be an option labeled Manage. Find the person whose role you want to edit and click Manage next to their name. This opens up the detailed view of their permissions for that specific page. From here, you can carefully review and adjust their role according to what they need to do. And once you're happy with the changes, save